Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new visitor, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe and press the bell notification icon so that when I post my future videos you'll be able to see them. This is the newly redesigned 2020 Toyota Avalon TRD sedan with supersonic red exterior that has a starting price of $43,375. The Avalon is a full-size sedan that replaced the Cressida and was introduced at the Chicago International Auto Show in 1994. The first Avalon went into production the same year it was introduced and shared platform with the Lexus ES. The 2020 Toyota Avalon is powered by a 24-valve dual-injection 3.5-liter V6 engine with dual overhead camshaft. The 3.5-liter V6 is also equipped with Toyota's latest technology called the Variable Valve Timing Intelligent Wide (VVTi-W) and Variable Valve Timing Intelligence (VVTi). The 3.5-liter engine produces 301 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque and can accelerate from 0 to 60 in 6 seconds. The Avalon TRD 3.5-liter engine is paired with a direct shift 8-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission. And other features that helps the TRD Avalon to perform well includes the TRD tuned front and rear suspension, thicker underbody braces with 12.9 front-inch rotor with dual piston caliper. The Environmental Protection Agency has rated the fuel economy of the TRD Camry to be 22 miles to a gallon in the city and 31 miles to a gallon on the highway. Hey, are you still there? Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and press the bell notification icon so that when I post my future videos, you'll be among the first person to see them. For safety and convenience features, the 2020 Avalon TRD comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense P, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control. Other safety features include lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beam, blind spot monitoring and rear crossing traffic alert. For the exterior features, the Avalon TRD is equipped with a 19-inch TRD matte black alloy wheel, TRD catback dual exhaust with polished SS tips, red painted brake calipers, TRD piano black rear and front spoilers, side and rear aero kit with red pin striping and red TRD badge. For the interior features, the TRD Avalon is equipped with 8-way power driver and passenger seat with 2-way power driver lumbar support, TRD staged steering wheel, wireless charging, audio plus with 9-inch touchscreen, hands-free Bluetooth, USB media port, Siri iFree and Apple CarPlay. So what do you think about this 2020 Toyota Avalon TRD? Please leave your comment in the comment section, and if you have any question, please also leave it in the comment section below. And please subscribe to this channel, press the bell notification icon and like this video so that it can reach more people. And when I post my future videos, you will be among the first person to see my video. Thank you very much and I will see you in the next video.